on the media part, if I'm allowed to say this, everybody is so worried about the media. One question asked to Rahul Gandhi and he said, don't waste my time. Question asked on what he had said, which was missed by many. JJ, he said to the foreign minister, to which he said, don't waste my time. His party boycotts the media, which it doesn't like. That's not a problem. But then different strokes for different folks.
You know, Narika, just because you have a degree from abroad doesn't necessarily mean that you have the intelligence that goes along with that degree. And I'm saying it personally for anybody. Because when you talk about the number of houses built, the number of tap connections given, the number of highways built, who do you think is coming and building these? People from Italy or people from Rome? Or from some other country, Vatican, I don't know. These are Indians who are building it. But still, if you want the data, here's the data. EPFO data says that there were 11 crore subscriptions at 2014. Today, it's 27 crores. RBI and SBI data both show that in the last 10 years, 11 years, every year, 1.5 crore jobs have been added. You can also see the number of jobs that have been created because there were 400 startups during Arthashastri's time, and today under Prime Minister Narendra Modi there are 1 lakh startups. There were 4 unicorns, there are 125 unicorns today. So perhaps you can do the math. But having said that, let me make it easier. Price rise 10% to 12% average inflation rate during the UPA tenure for 10 years. Today what is the last data that has come in of CPI inflation for the month of April? You know, 3.16%. Even at a time when we had 2 global challenges, COVID and Ukraine-Russia war, we have been able to maintain an inflation rate of 4 to 5%, 5.5% at max. Today the public sector banks are in profit. When was the last time our public sector banks were in profit? Nahi batana hai. Today LIC and SBI are the most valuable companies. When was the last time they registered a quarterly profit? Nahi batana hai. Adani is the man of the match. Yes, of course, you must ask Vivek Srivastava because his chief minister has said that Adani is our partner in Vizhinjam port. No, that time Adani is not man of the match. That time Adani is the villain of the match. When he is doing project in Kerala, वो villain है क्या? तेलंगाना में देते हैं वो जब MOU तब वो villain है. हमारे साथ मैन ऑफ द मैच हो जाते हैं. अच्छा, और बोल कौन रहा है? सहारा श्री के साथ जो अलायंस करते थे, अनिल अंबानी के साथ जो घूमते फिरते थे, उनकी पार्टी का गमशन देखिए. दैट अडानी हु इज डूइंग द बिजनेस इन केरला, हु इज डूइंग द बिजनेस इन पंजाब, हु इज डूइंग द बिजनेस इन छत्तीसगढ़, हु इज डूइंग द बिजनेस इन राजस्थान ड्यूरिंग कांग्रेस टेन्योर गवर्नमेंट्स इज बीइंग कॉल्ड आउट. बट देन दे आर द वंस विद सुब्रतो रॉय. And that time they have not said anything anyways. Though दूसरे वाले भी है, AAP और अधिक पाप बोला था. क्या बोला था? They promised पाठशाला, they gave मधुशाला. They promised no VVIP culture, they gave शीश महल. They promised that Aam Aadmi Party will be the one which will stand with the people. They are the ones who threw out journalists and arrested journalists from Punjab because she was reporting on शीश महल. They are preaching to us about media rights. Sahab, this is called hypocrisy in play. In 11 years, one thing has not changed, is the hypocrisy of these people. Otherwise, I ask Mr. Vivek Srivastava, Adani Vizhinjam project is galat, cancel it.
And also Vivek Srivastava, while you are answering that one, please also answer. I thought in the left parties, no individual was ever greater than the system. But Pinarayi Vijayan is a living legend. Now, is that not a personality cult? You have a problem with the personality cult of Narendra Modi, not one word on Pinarayi Vijayan?
You can't compare them. Cheek and chalk cannot be compared. Pinarayi Vijayan is cheese and, you know, my Prime Minister is like a chalk right now. 11 साल अंधकार के, 11 साल देश को बर्बाद करने के, देश गलत दिशा में चल चुका है. नहीं दिख रहा तो आंखें बंद कर लीजिए. इफ यू कैलकुलेट कि हमने कितना कर्ज ले रखा है, जरा जाइए और चेक करिए. अभी वापस मांग नहीं रहे. जब एक झटके में मांगेंगे तो फिर जैसे अभी डोनाल्ड ट्रंप की शाबाशी लेके आए हैं, फिर जाके कुछ देश का गिरवी रखाएंगे. दिस इज वेयर द कंट्री इज गोइंग. पैसा आ कहां से रहा है? कहां से जनरेट कर रहे हैं? कर्जों से. 2014 when this prime minister became the prime minister और आज 2025 what is the amount of money that India has to return? Question number 1. Question number 2. हिंदू और मुसलमान आज एक दूसरे के जान के दुश्मन बन रहे हैं. रोज कोई ना कोई इशू, कभी किसी मस्जिद के नीचे, कभी किसी मजार के नीचे, कभी कोई मूर्ति तो कभी कोई मंदिर. दिस इज गोइंग ऑन ओनली इन द लास्ट 10 years. वी नेवर सॉ इट बिफोर. आपका किसी भी पड़ोसी के साथ कोई रिश्ता नहीं है. ना चीन आपका, ना नेपाल, ना भूटान, ना बांग्लादेश, ना पाकिस्तान. Nobody is with you. You had a problem across the border right now, and no country in the world stood for you despite 168 foreign visits of the Prime Minister. Where do you stand? बस लेकर के रोज आप प्रिंट मीडिया, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया, सोशल मीडिया में अपना भोंपू बजाए जाइए. मैं बड़ा महान प्राइम मिनिस्टर हूं, मैं बड़ा महान प्राइम मिनिस्टर हूं, आप पोलराइज करके इलेक्शन जीत जाते हैं, बट वेयर इज द नेशन गोइंग? ये बहुत सारी वेलफेयर की स्कीमें लिस्ट कर रहे हैं।
श्रीवास्तव जी,
और
you're worried about neighbors. आप तो हो जाइए इनके साथ।
दिया।
Salman Khurshid is saying one thing, the rest of the Congress is saying something different. आप चाइना के साथ हैं, इंडिया के साथ हो जाइए ना। You are always praising China and Pakistan. Why can't you be an Indian and support Indian? What are you giving lectures to others for?
Yeah. I support India. I don't support Modi, and Modi is not India. बर्बाद किया मेरे देश को.
At the moment he is the prime minister.
We supported him. We supported him.
Mr. Vivek, you have made
We
your point.
supported him.
Mr.
When
Vivek,
he
you have
said,
made your
"I'm
point,
going
but
to
at
get
least the
out of
facts
Pakistan,"
should
we
be
supported him.
the facts should
We
not be
blindly said
quoted wrong.
कि हम मोदी के
Navika,
साथ
if I
हैं.
may just briefly
हमने
intervene.
कहा हम भारत सरकार के
Navika, now
साथ
it's
हैं.
getting into
हमने
shouting
कहा
match. Let's
मोदी
have a
जब
dignified
कहेंगे,
debate.
Okay.
हम उनको
Navika, please
समर्थन
allow me a
देंगे.
dignified
लेकिन
response.
बदले में
This time
मिला
it's
क्या
also
हमको?
All right, Vivek.
Thank you.
Response
See,
coming
now
in.
one has said that no country has stood with India. UK's Priti Patel, Israel, France, Russia, Italy, and recently Germany. All of them have stood with India. But let me explain the foreign policy of Vivek ji. विवेक जी, आप पैलेस्टाइन करते थे, ड्रोन किसका काम है, इजराइल का या पैलेस्टाइन का? अच्छा, आप रशिया के खिलाफ वोट कर दीजिए, यूक्रेन के लिए वोट करिए, ये बोला था कांग्रेस पार्टी ने ऑफिशियली. टुडे द S-400 of Russia has been useful for us. And we have also got the Predator drones from America without being sanctioned for S-400 system. We have bought oil from Russia and we are good and friendly with America. Please don't interrupt. Sir, Navika, I request you. Let's have a dignified debate. Navika, please, let's have a dignified debate. I'm finishing my
You
point.
make your point.
Let me have a dignified...
Vivek, hold on.
No.
Navika, today, we are the only country in the world कि हम क्वाड को लीड भी करते हैं और SCO में भी है. हम इजराइल के बेंजामिन नेतन्याहू से भी मिलते हैं और पैलेस्टाइन का हाईएस्ट सिविलियन ऑनर भी पीएम को मिलता है. वी आर द ओनली कंट्री दैट टॉक्स टू पुतिन एंड वी also are able to talk to Zelensky, which even America cannot do, even China cannot do. We are the only country which buys S-400 and we are getting the Predator drones.
True.
This is the foreign policy strength. Therefore, you cannot
Everything
ignore
is
it.
not perfect, but we are better today than we are 11 years ago. And Sanjay Jha, you've been raising your hand. Aren't we better off today? What about the so-called emergency when the National Advisory Council was above the Prime Minister's office? Was that normal? Was that not an undeclared emergency at that time? Have you forgotten those facts?
No, Navika, I have not. But let me tell you the elephant in the room that we must discuss today. We went through a catastrophic COVID. And why has it taken the government so many years to admit that 19 lakh more people died in the year that India was hit with the second COVID wave? I want to ask this question of Mr. Modi's government. Can anybody trust you anymore? Even human lives are lost and the country is not...
Please also ask the state governments who gave no figures for COVID deaths in their own states.